Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. As you notice, there are no people in the beach. Yeah, today's the first day of the school. Yeah, so yeah, beginning of the day, which is not busy, and the restaurant. I don't know, but we are still busy actually. But yeah, most of the family, most of the people, they now are back in the city in their houses. Yeah, this place is going to be like before, not so much people. Maybe the Filipino shop is now open. We are going back there again. I hope they are open because I want to buy Filipino ingredients. They are closed. I am going to cook something to eat. I have rice here already cooked. I cooked it last night. Yeah, but last night I ate another thing. Still full. Yeah, I put this back in the freezer. I actually have chicken here. I have burger patty, tomato sauce, and frozen vegetables. Yeah, I am cooking sinigang. I am boiling the water, and I will put it this here. Should I put now? Yeah, I put now because I have this thing. This is a tamarind soup base. I also have beans, and I also have some bok choy. You know, this is $2.50, so it's around around 80-90 pesos. Expensive. Let's just wait a few minutes and later it's ready.
The government claimed today.
That's the news. Okay, I'm ready to eat my rice and this. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are going to work now. The time now, my duty today will start at 12 o'clock. The time now is 11:05. Up there is a little bit busy. I mean, there are many cars in the road. I was extra careful. I have my coffee. As you can see, that the mug, there is coffee inside. Nice, because you know the water is not spilling. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. It is now 3:05. It is hot. There are people down there. Look at this. There are so many cars. Good day, guys. So basically, that is how my days work here in Australia. As most of you know, I am living alone in this apartment. I have been here for almost 2 years now. Yeah, and you know, the life alone is like this. You have freedom, you can do anything you want. No one is going to disturb you, just like that. So basically, when I am working in the morning, that is 6 o'clock until 2 o'clock, sometimes 3 o'clock. I go to the marina, I stay there a bit, or in the park, watching the people, walking around, having a coffee, just like that. And then when I get home, if I am not watching TV, I am sure here, just sitting here. I am editing some video, watching YouTube. And when I get lazy, I go to the couch and watching TV. What I am watching is just a TV show and documentary. I really like the entertainment, like a variety show, like singing, dancing, things like that. But showbiz entertainment is not really big here in Australia, so there is no something like what we are watching in the Philippines. Yeah, showbiz industry is not big here in Australia. Entertainment industry is not big here in Australia. Mostly sports. You're going to see football, rugby, cricket in the TV every time. Like in Dubai, if I'm not mistaken, in Dubai, the entertainment on Dubai, they are relying on the Lebanese entertainment program, something like that. The country like Nepal, Bangladesh, and maybe Sri Lanka, they are relying in the entertainment industry of India. Maybe, but it sounds like that. It looks like that because I was working in Dubai. I live in Dubai and I observed those things. I think that is the same here in Australia. Australian entertainment industry is relying on the Hollywood. Maybe. It's not important anyway. Yeah. And thank you for watching, guys. This day I noticed drastically. Yeah. No, actually I noticed this week that a lot of people are subscribing on my Tagalog channel. Yeah. After I posted the video of me and Ronald in Brisbane driving around. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, for subscribing. There are so many questions in the comment section of that blog, and I am trying to answer all the questions, but most of the questions are the same. I hope that some of the viewers will have that effort to check the other videos, because I explained how to come here, how to get here. Yeah, what are the qualification, things like that. Yeah, anyway, it is already 10 o'clock and tomorrow I will be working at 5 o'clock and then finish, I hope, at 1 o'clock. See you tomorrow.